What's goody? This is Fresco VK, and yes, Stadium Goods is still up and running, but we are just operating on the web, so make sure you visit stadiumgoods.com or download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and Android. So yes, I know we have to stay inside, but that does not mean we can't unbox. So today we're gonna unbox the Air Jordan 1 Court Purple. Say less for all this talking. Let's get straight to these shoes. So 2020 has been an unforgettable year, just like the Air Jordan 1. But who doesn't love the Air Jordan 1? So today we're gonna unbox the 2020 Air Jordan 1 Court Purple. So as you can see, similar box top to most Air Jordan 1s that you'll see on the market. And let me know what you guys think in the comments. I love the color on these. And here we have the Court Purple Air Jordan 1. So this is definitely not the first time we've heard the term Court Purple when describing the Air Jordan 1. There was the Air Jordan 1 2018 Court Purple, but that color palette was a little bit different. The color palette on the 2018 mirrored that of the bread toe with the purple and red toe boxes respectively, but the 2020 Court Purple is more in comparison to the Chicago Air Jordan 1 with that similar color palette. But with that being said, we have the purple overlay right there in the toe box area. You see the perforation in the toe with the white toe box. We have the black laces right here. We have the white tongue, of course, with the purple and black Nike Air hit, which is pretty much seen on almost all Air Jordan 1 highs. As we get to the outer panel, we have the black swoosh, of course, the white hit here, and we see the white midsole, and of course the also classic, I should say, Air Jordan 1 Wings logo. And this also features an additional set of laces. So these purple laces right here, they're actually a two-tone purple, so there's a slightly lighter shade and a slightly darker shade. So the insole on this one is just a full black insole with a purple Nike Air hit. And as we get to the outsole, full purple outsole that you'll see here. And this shoe is in no connection to the Sacramento Kings, but shout out to Mike Bibby and De'Aaron Fox. But this, in regards to colorway and color palette, I would say it's very close or like the exact match to the Sacramento Kings purple. Probably a great look with that jersey, or just a clean white tee. But you know, Jordan 1s are good with everything, every look. I've seen it at weddings, I've seen it in skate parks, I've seen it everywhere. So I'm just thinking of being outside, and I'm missing outside, and I'm thinking of when I step outside, one of the first days, I'm definitely gonna be rocking the Court Purple Air Jordan 1. So here's one last look at the Court Purple Air Jordan 1. And please let me know what you guys think of these in the comments and where they rank amongst your favorite Air Jordan 1s. So if you're looking to shop the Court Purple Air Jordan 1, make sure you visit stadiumgoods.com or make some space in your phone and download the Stadium Goods app, because it's available on iOS and on Android. And we update the app daily with different kicks, accessories, and apparel, everything Stadium Goods. So follow us on all social media platforms at Stadium Goods. Keep up with what we got going on while we're all staying inside, but we outside. But make sure you guys stay safe and check in with Stadium Goods on all platforms. I'm Fresco VK. Salud.